Streaming is the practice of broadcasting online video content such as gaming, music, comedy, and plays. It could be anything good. For businesses, this also means that the content could be promoting books and products, having your own general meeting online, or inviting questions in the chats that you can answer so that your new startup has the opportunity to be exposed to a wider audience that will greater understand what your company does. You can stream on a variety of social media platforms such as YouTube, Twitch, Trovo, Nonalive, Vaughn Live, Picato TV, Nemo Live, Bigo Live, TikTok, Dailymotion, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Caffeine.tv, and many more. There are tons of streaming platforms out there. If you would want to stream to 2 social media channels at the same time, you can use something such as OBS Studio or XSplit with Restream.io. Restream.io will allow you to stream to 2 channels for free. Downloading all of this software is free as well. You would also need to have a secure internet connection, preferably from a desktop or laptop. However, it is also to stream from a mobile device as well. This is a great way of attracting attention to even things such as charity events and fundraising causes. Basically, what it is like is putting on your own show online through your own social media networks and building new and exciting audiences for the work that you are doing, which you need promotion.